Namaste yogis, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel named Bodsphere. So today we have a very targeted approach. So we are going to focus on our hands, on our palms and on our wrist. So if you have been working on your laptop for too long, or if you have been sitting and you have got some tightness, any stiffness around this area, so we'll be doing some poses and exercise just to make this area more mobile, more flexible, and the idea is to get rid of the stiffness. Yes, so some of the poses we'll be doing in cross-legged position, and during the end of the video we will still be on our mat itself but some different pose, so we'll get to explore that also. So in cross-legged position, let's just sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Let's stretch our arms in front. So our arms are extended in front. Now you don't have to keep your fingers very loose. So let's spread our fingers out. Now when you do that, you will start feeling some stretch in this area around your forearm. At the same time, when you do that, there will be some stretch around your shoulders and your scapula also, because your scapula, they will open up like this. So let's just stretch our fingers out as if you are trying to grab something. Yes, so very good stretch in our palms also. Let's just stay here for 10 seconds. So each pose, let's hold for 10 seconds before we move on to the other exercises. Stay over here. Keep stretching. It's like a web. Yes. And from here itself, let's rotate, reverse your right palm, reverse your left palm. Stay over here. So your palms are all extended as if you are asking for something. Yes, so just spread your palms, and from here itself, let's close our palms, make a fist. Your arms are still extended, you can just reverse the wrist. And now let's start with the fist rotations. Extremely good for your wrist mobility. Yes, very nice. Keep stretching, keep moving your fist couple of times, at least 10 times. Yes, so this is the external rotation of your fist. You will start feeling some good pain in your arms also, but you have to stay up, you have to keep going with me. Yes, and now the internal rotation. So even though it's a targeted video, that doesn't mean that our other body parts are not getting engaged. So like in yoga, everything is interconnected. Yes. So it's not just the wrist that we are working upon, but other body parts also. And now once again, stretch. And you have to make sure that you are basically pulling your palms back, you are pushing them back. Yes, as if there is an imaginary wall and you have to push it hard. So your arms are completely extended in front of you and you are just pushing the wall. Let's just stay over here for a couple of seconds. So when you do that, you will start feeling some good pain around these muscles, around these bones. Yes, you are not supposed to come down. Give your 200%, not even 100%, but give your 200%. And from here itself, let's push them down towards the floor. Stay over here for a couple of seconds. And from here itself, let's start moving our palms just to open up our wrist a bit more. For another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up your palms now and let's start waving each other. Yes, so you have to wave at me and you have to spread your palms and let's start moving around. So your shoulders will also move. When you are doing this movement, your shoulders will also move. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's grab our left palm and let's pull our left palm towards us. Let's just stay here for 5 seconds. Keep pulling your left palm towards you for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's pull our right palm towards us. So you have to keep smiling throughout the session. Yes, you don't have to frown, just enjoy the session. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you have to pull it towards you, but not like this, but you have to place your palm like this. Now let's pull it and let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's move on to the right palm now. Let's pull it. Give your 200%. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's relax. And you can just shake your palms. You can shake your arms. Shake, 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 shake. So since you have worked on your wrist, you have to make sure that you keep shaking your palms. Yes, it will help you open up your entire arm, your wrist area. And once you are done doing shake, shake, shake for 10 seconds, you can relax your arms and let's come in the tabletop position. So on your mat itself, you have to make sure that your shoulders are in line with your wrist. Yes, the knees are in line with your pelvic region. So it should neither be like this, yeah, nor too out. So in just one straight line. Relax your toes on the floor. Your palms are completely spread out. And you have to make sure that the knees are at least hip width apart. Yeah. So this much gap should be there between your knees and the wrist. All right. Now in this position itself, do as much as you can. Okay. So let's reverse the wrist so that the fingers are pointed towards the thighs or the knees, but the outer part of your palms is on the floor. Yes. So you have to make sure that the inner part of the elbows, this part, it is facing out. So it's a very good stretch. So sometimes you might feel that your arms are like this, but see if with time you can just reverse the wrist and the arms. In fact, so I will demonstrate like this also. For example, if you are over here and your arms are like this, see with time you can just straighten up your arms and you can just move your elbows and move your arms. Yes. All right, let's come back. So in this position itself, if you want a good intense stretch on your wrist, let's see if you can just sit on your heels. Your hips are completely rested on your heels. And let's just stay over here and feel the stretch around our wrist. For 10 seconds, let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's come up. And now let's reverse our palms so that the fingers are still pointed towards our thighs or the knees, but this time the palms are on the floor. So in this position itself, let's go back and let's sit on our heels. So there's a possibility that your palms come up off the ground. So it's completely okay because right now we are working on our wrist. And let's just stay over here for a couple of seconds. At least 10 seconds each pose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come up, and now let's come back to the base position, and from here itself let's place our palms in such a way that the fingers are pointed towards each other. Yes, so first of all we did this one. Yes, first of all we did this one, then we did this one, and now we will place our palms in front of each other. The fingers are pointed towards each other, and I'm just going back and I'm sitting on my heels once again. My arms are completely straight. Let's just stay over here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's come out of the position. And once again, let's sit on our heels this time, and let's just shake our arms. Let's just shake our palms, your wrist. Shake, 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 shake. For 10 seconds. You have to keep shaking. And slowly and gently, you may relax your arms. So, this video was all about the wrist, the palms and the hands, all around this area. Yes, so you can do this when you are sitting or when you're working in your office, you're working at home, wherever you are, or if you're traveling, and if you just feel any kind of stiffness around this area, you can just work on this. Yes. So all the poses that we have done in this video, they can be done in sitting like this, even when you are standing. In fact, when you are standing and you are walking, so you can, even then you can just stretch and you can do all the exercises that we have done today. Yes, and if you have any kind of questions or queries, whether it's related to health, fitness, yoga or spirituality, so you can just drop your queries in the comment section below, and we will surely answer everything. Yeah, and please don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In fact, we have been posting a lot of content. It's more like 2 to 3 videos every single week. So there are a lot of content that we need to post in the coming future. So you can just click on the subscribe button, and you can just also click on the bell button so that the notifications just pop up on your cell phone whenever we post the next video. Till then, just stay safe and just take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Namaste.